So, how do you choose the right sales or marketing funnel for your business? Well, today I'm going to show you some of the popular types of marketing funnels that you can use, and just to help you grow your business and save you time so that you can focus on more important things like turning those leads and sales into actual paying customers. Hi everyone, it's Leanne Cohen's here, digital success coach and owner of the marketing agency, Marketing Leap. And my passion is to actually demystify the digital marketing space for business owners and entrepreneurs. And I do that through educational courses and training, giving you marketing clarity with done-for-you practical marketing solutions that actually work to springboard your business to success. Today we're talking about marketing funnels and the best ones for the different industries and the different businesses. So the last couple of weeks I've been explaining what marketing funnels are and working through that. So I'll put the links to those below. But is a marketing funnel necessary for your business? So you might be familiar with the idea of funnels. Russell Brunson has spent a lot of money getting his ClickFunnels platform out there. But for just a usual business owner, marketing funnels is the process that allows you to turn a stranger into a paying client. So it's the journey that your customer or your potential customer takes to buy from you and to buy from your company. And there are three basic reasons why any business would actually use a marketing funnel. One is to generate leads, to generate sales, or to run an online event. So every funnel, that's marketing or sales funnel that's out there, is usually performing one of these things or even a mix of them. So based on these three factors, you need to choose the best funnel for your company and for your business. So today I'm going to share 4 main sales funnels or marketing funnels that you can use for your business. The first one is a lead magnet, a survey funnel, a product marketing funnel, and then a webinar funnel. So the first one is your lead magnet funnel. The lead magnet funnel is normally the top of your sales funnel. Now, this is a great start for any business really in any industry, as you're delivering some really great information for free in return for that particular potential client's information, which is usually the email address. Now, these incentives are known as lead magnets, and they're often digital downloads, things like ebooks, PDF checklists like this one here, papers, case studies, and sheets. And the aim is to actually collect their email address. So what we've done with Marketing Leap is we actually have a complete page of different downloads and lead magnets that people can click on. The way that this works, it takes them straight to a landing page, and from that landing page, that's where we will actually download their information, and they get access, in this particular case, to an infographic that shows them exactly what social media platforms they should be on. Just to give you a bit of an idea of what that funnel actually looks like, you have your lead magnet opt-in, a thank you page, and then from there you've got your delivery, your download, they might have a report, and then you have an email funnel, which you can see down here, which is where you start showing your expertise and actually showing potential clients how you can help them and how you can give value. So that's the first one. And like I said, that is great for any particular business. I've got service-based businesses, cleaning businesses, solar companies, all service-based businesses that actually have something that they give away for free, usually a PDF download, and giving value. So it doesn't matter what industry you're in, you can always use a lead magnet funnel. The second one is a survey funnel. Now, the survey funnel is great for assisting you in generating and segmenting leads. This is where you've got quite a few different offers or a few different products, and you want to make it more personalized and make it more relevant. So a really good example of this is, say, a mailbox service who uses a survey funnel to divide customers into families, singles, or couples. Now, if you are a coach or you have numerous items and you want to make sure that every one of your products is targeted to the proper demographic, then this is a great way of including a survey funnel into your marketing effort. And it makes sure that you are actually targeting the correct people and you've got a much better idea of what it is that they need. So the whole idea of this funnel is to deliver value to them while also getting further information so that you can segment to them and be a lot more specific when it comes to your marketing. So lead magnets in this particular funnel are often interactive, entertaining, and they have things like quizzes, calculators, and surveys. So you can see here you have your survey. The different results will then lead them to a different landing page, and from there they will get their results, and then from there you can continue to email market to them. And if you're not too sure how to set up your email marketing, I have an entire series on that. I'll put the links to that below so you can get an understanding of how you actually get your email marketing set up. Now, the third one is great if you have an e-commerce store or specific products, and this is actually the product marketing funnel or the product sales funnel. Now, the whole idea behind this is to qualify your leads by giving them a low ticket item. After they buy that and they become a paying customer, you can give them upsells and downsells, and to improve the average value cart or cart value. So you've got to use this really, really sparingly. I know a lot of coaches that use this in particular. They might start with a book or a ebook download, and before you know it, you've wasted 5 minutes saying, no, I don't want to watch this video. No, I don't want to upsell to this particular product or buy into this mini course. So, as a business owner, please use this very, very sparingly, because it gets really annoying for consumers if they just want one thing and you are continually trying to sell them a million other things with your upsells and your downsells. So like I said, this is great for e-commerce businesses, or if you've got a series of online courses, because it can be used to grow service-based businesses as well. So we use this quite often in the agency, Marketing Leap. That's where the lead magnet comes in, and then we might give them a low sell offer, which would be one of my online courses that I have, which is about 26 lessons or 6 modules, and then from there upselling them to the next level, which is the academy. Like I said, this is great for on-selling because you're not actually delivering to cold traffic, and it also helps boost your conversion rate. So as you can see here, you've got your sales page, order page, they purchase the main product, and then you can either give them an upsell. If they say yes, if they say no, then they get a downsell, then you might offer them something else. But like I said, you've got to be very, very careful with this section here, with the amount of upsells and downsells that you offer to people. Because I know myself personally, there's been quite a few marketing funnels that I've actually got halfway through and opted out of because it's just not worth, like the 10, 15 minutes that it takes. A classic example of this is another marketer called Subri, who has a book, and he uses that as a funnel. The minute you start going through his particular product sales funnel, it is literally 20 minutes. Now, I did it purely just as a market research exercise, just to see exactly how he structured it. But seriously, it was 20 minutes from the time I said, yes, okay, I want to have a look at your book, right the way through till I finally got my order welcome email. So if you are working with products, you've got to be very careful with the amount of upsells and downsells that you use. And then the final one that we're going to talk about today is the webinar funnel. Now, webinar funnels there's so many coaches teaching this and putting this out there now for clients, and they're often employed with high ticket offers. So if you've got a high ticket offer that's anything over about $2,000, where you might have a particular course, then this is great for you. They're great for coaches and mentors because it's using the online seminar as a tool to connect with your wider audience and to promote your business. Now, marketing webinars usually work on the principle, and this is what it actually looks like. They usually work on the principle that when you offer relevant, timely, and unique value upfront, your customers or your prospective customers will have more trust in your brand and in your product and your services. So the object of this is to then on-sell a high ticket item by getting them to register for the webinar. You sell on the webinar, which are often live events hosted using Webinar Jam or Zoom. And then from there, as long as you've structured it correctly, you can have what they call an evergreen webinar and keep continually selling. Now, someone that does this extremely well is Sunny Lenarduzzi, and if you ever want to do anything on YouTube, she is a great one to follow because she's an absolute master at what she's been doing. I've had my YouTube channel for quite a while, since I started the agency, And by using her formula, I'll actually monetize it in the next week or so, which is pretty exciting. The whole idea and the whole magic of this funnel isn't actually in the webinar as such, but it is in how you implement it. So you can see here you have your webinar funnel, they opt in, they get a thank you. You've got your couple of videos where you pre-frame what it is that you're doing. And then from there, they get a series of emails to attend. They go to the live webinar, they get access to the replay, they're on your email list so you can continue to market them and potentially upsell them into your high ticket offer. So, depending on your business, that will determine which funnel you actually use for your business, because the whole idea of this is to generate leads, generate sales, or run an online event. So every funnel that you put in place will actually perform one of those three things or a mix of them. So as I said, the four marketing funnels that we've covered today is a lead magnet funnel, and it doesn't matter what industry you are in, that is always a great way to start. And like I said, we do have resources page set up. For us, it's just a great way of giving information. So we have a whole lot of checklists, social media checklists, PDF actually showing you what platform you should be showing up, another workbook actually helping you work through your branding and your messaging, another workbook helping you work through your strategy. Now, every single one of those is a lead magnet that leads into a particular online course that has been set up. And each one of those online courses are based on the pre-COVID, but years of running workshops with business owners and showing them how to do that aspect of their marketing. So, for you have a look at your business and have a look at what you can give value with when it comes to your lead magnet and setting up a funnel that way. And then, of course, you can look at survey funnels. If you've got an e-com business or you've got products that you can upsell, you could look at your product marketing funnel. And then if you're a coach and you've got a high ticket item, then you can look at the webinar marketing funnel. So the whole idea of funnels is to give you structure and to save you time while your prospects move one step closer to being paying customers. So I hope that has helped you when it comes to drowning in the overwhelm of how to set up your marketing and how to set up your marketing funnels. So, if it's time to get some clarity and generate leads and just grow your business through my agency, Marketing Leap, we offer done-for-you practical marketing solutions that actually work and will springboard your business to success. So, if that's something that you're looking at and you want to start delivering some results, whether it's through your SEO, through your website SEO, through your social media, through Facebook ads or Google ads or any kind of digital marketing, like I said, we do have a full service offering there. If you're not looking for done for you, I do have a range of different coaching sessions, whether they're 2-hour strategy sessions or one-on-one 12-week mentoring. It really just depends on what you need, because the whole idea really is to help you get an understanding of how to show up in the digital space and how to grow your business. So, if you've really enjoyed this video today, please connect with me because I'd love to chat to you. And even if you could just pop a comment below and let me know what your biggest takeaway was, that would be great, because that helps structure the videos that we do moving forward, because it is all about educating you and helping you grow your business online. So next week I'm going to be sharing the top 3 best marketing funnel software that small businesses can use. So I'd love to see you next week, same time, for my video then. In the meantime, guys, have an amazing week, and I will see you next week. Bye. If you'd like to learn more about how to grow your business online and how to structure things in such a way that you get your life back and that you're not drowning in the overwhelm when it comes to marketing your business, then make sure you hit the subscribe button below, and don't forget to click the bell so you get notified every single time we upload the next training video.